tout le monde qui suit tout côté dans le pays. You guys already know what's up. What's up? This is Haitian Jonas. You know the emblem, the carnival in Haiti. It's gonna be each one plant one. The idea, the credit goes to Louinel Jean. I know some of you guys are not gonna give them credit. Remember, Haiti Décollé, we give the credit to J. Perry, but I hope you guys call Louinel Jean the artist that has an organization in Haiti called Each One Plant One, and the same for the president, Yon One Yon Plant, which is the same idea, same contrast, same thing. And I don't know if they know about it yet, but he registered it, he patented it, so you guys have to give him credit and let him know he's entitled of that idea. So tout Haïtien connaît que Louinel Jean c'est un grand artiste qui est en Jamaïque, qui est venu avec organisation ça, yon planté yon planté yon un plante. Avait dit yon plante. C'est comme ça pour te traduire en créole. So, on a le temps de Louinel Jean qui a touché tout le monde dans la musique et ou qui doit avoir information pour lui dans Facebook ou m'ba voyer de l'eau m'ba moins que monde. Voyer de l'eau m'ba moins que monde. So, on a checké HaitianJonas.com.
Shalaloo, 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 shalaloo. Help my government to be honest and fair. Just like you, Jah, let them be honest and fair. Let them be honest and fair with all the people, especially the poor and the needy. Oh Jah, let it be so. Help my government to be sober and true. Just like you, Jah, let them be honest and fair. Help them be honest, oh yes, with the nation, especially the poor and the needy. Oh Jah, let it be so. Let it be, Lord, from sea to shining sea, from the valley to the hill. Let there be peace and justice in every hill and every city. Help the citizens to understand their role in making this country what it should be. Help us be conscious of this journey of oneness. To gain the strength we need to rise. We need to rise. Yeah. Let there be peace and justice from every hill and every city. Help the citizens to understand their role in making this country what it should be. Help us rise. We need to rise. Oh Lord, we need to rise. Yeah, help us rise. Help my citizens to be responsible. Just like your angels, let them be responsible. Let them be able to see what's possible. Away from chaos and violence, give them patience. Oh Jah, give them patience, yeah. Help us to see beyond division to unity. Let it be, oh let it be, Lord. Haïti c'est pam, Haïti c'est pas. Rouge et bleu c'est moi, rouge et bleu c'est où. L'aile flotte c'est où avec moi qui paraît. Sous tel accaille, sous tel autre bord de l'eau. C'est fierté pam, c'est fierté pao. Pays ça besoin nous toutes pour nous bataille. Pour nous mettre les sous les rails. Ça qui vive la caille ou l'autre bord partiraille. Yeah. Coller les épaules pour nous bataille. Faut que nous fassions bagaille dans la cour la caille. Oh, nous tous ces petits attrailles. Aïe aïe aïe. Aïe aïe aïe. Aïe aïe aïe. Help my government to be honest and fair. Just like you, Jah. Let it be, let it be, let it be.